Hello students and welcome to your English language class. Today we'll be learning about diary writing. Now as you know, diary writing is one of the most personal and informal categories of writing. A diary writing can be based on an experience, a scene, a description or narration of certain events or any other thing or activity that the writer considers worth writing in his personal diary. In the examination, the question on diary writing is aimed to test your imaginative, creative, and expressive skills. Let us learn more about diary writing. Writing a diary entry is slightly different from writing a letter or a passage. We write something private and personal in the diary. We also write our opinion on something. Now, you must have written some informal and formal letters, but diary writing is a slightly different thing. Now, here you can express your own personal feelings, and it is for your own personal use. Nobody else can read your diary. So, you can write anything, you can express all your emotions while writing a diary, and you can also write your opinion about something. So, we usually write diaries to keep a record of different events in our lives. That's the first thing. Whatever is happening in our life or whatever events are happening in our life, we can jot it down in our diaries. We can confide. Confide means if you cannot trust anybody else other than yourself, then you can jot it down, jot your emotions in the diary itself. So you can write all your secrets in your diary. Now, the third point is confess. When you have done something wrong or whenever you have committed a mistake, so you can confess to your diary. So, confessing means to acknowledge having committed a wrong. You have done something wrong and you want to share it with someone, but you cannot find anybody else worth sharing your mistake. So, what you can do is you can just put it down in your diary. Next is make a resolution. What is a resolution? A firm decision about what we are going to do. Like, I want to improve my handwriting. So that's a resolution, and I'm promising myself that I will see to it and I will make all the efforts to improve my handwriting this year. So that's a resolution. So I can put it down in my diary. And if, for example, let's say if I go and tell my best friend that okay, fine, I'm going to improve my handwriting, but I'm not putting in all the efforts that are required. So what will happen? My handwriting won't improve, and there is a chance that my best friend will make fun of me. So what I can do is I can just write it down in my diary, because my diary won't make fun of me if my handwriting doesn't improve in the future. And last point is to judge an event in our own lives. Whatever is happening, we can judge that event, okay, through our diaries. So these are the points. You can keep a record of different events in your life. You can confide or you can share your secrets. You can confess if you have done something wrong, or you can make a resolution in your diary, or you can judge an event in your life. So our diary is supposed to be read only by us and not by anyone else. So you can pour all your emotions or all your heartfelt emotions into it without fearing that somebody else will read it and make fun of you, or एक नेगेटिव इमेज आपकी बन सकती है अगर आपके पर्सनल इमोशंस कोई और पढ़ेगा. सो डायरी इज़ ओनली फॉर योर सेल्फ टू रीड. Therefore, we can write about any event in our lives informally, frankly, and honestly. So, you can write everything in your diary informally. You don't have to be formal. You can write everything frankly and honestly. Now, let us read the following passage given here. Passage 1. 9 October 2019, because October is yet to come in 2020. So let's consider it's 9th October 2019, Darjeeling. We reached Darjeeling yesterday evening. We are staying in the same hotel on Hill Cart Road. You know, they have a very strict schedule for everything. They serve tea, breakfast, lunch, and dinner only at the specified time. If we do not go to the dining hall on time, we have to eat out. But I enjoy my stay here. Baba and Bhai are also happy. We miss you so much. Now this is the passage number 2. Now here the date is 8th October, let's say 2019, Wednesday, Darjeeling. Okay, I along with Dad and Papu reached the hotel at 5:15 in the evening. This is the first time we have come to visit a place without Mom. She had to visit her head office in New Delhi this week. Our tickets were booked a long time ago. We wanted to cancel our tickets when we came to know that Mom could not make it. But Mom did not want us to cancel the trip. She knew that my brother and I look forward to our annual trip. She loves us so much that she wanted us to have fun. The hotel management was also not ready to refund the money, so Dad brought me and Papu to Darjeeling. Our hotel room has a very good view. We can see the Himalayas from this room. I miss my mom when I look at the mountains. All of us love to be in the hills so much. It is because of her love that we could come here and enjoy our holidays. I've made a decision. I will never disobey my mom. I'll do whatever she wants me to do. This will certainly make her feel happy. So these were the two passages, and let us now find out which one is the diary entry and which one is just a report or say a log. So let's just compare these two passages here. In passage number 1, 9th October 2019, Darjeeling. Date and place have been mentioned, but since the date does not match with the date when the events in the description take place, it must be a report. See, in diary usually what happens, अगर आपको आज डायरी एंट्री करनी है तो आप आज की ही डेट डालेंगे, आप yesterday की डेट नहीं डालेंगे. But in this, what is happening? The writer has mentioned the yesterday's date in it. So 9th October 2019 was yesterday. Okay, so this cannot be a diary entry. It has to be a report or something else. Now here you can see in passage 2 what's happening. The date, day and place are mentioned, and the events in the description take place on the same date. So it's happening on the same day. So it has to be a diary entry. So जब भी आपकी डायरी एंट्री आप लिखोगे, then make sure that you are writing for the present day, not for yesterday. Okay, we reached. Okay, let's take passage number 1 again. We reached Darjeeling yesterday evening. This passage begins with a general statement which gives general information. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं कि वी रीच्ड दार्जिलिंग येस्टरडे इवनिंग एक जनरल स्टेटमेंट है. अब यहाँ पे क्या है, I along with Dad and Papu reached the hotel at 5:15 in the evening. So you can see here that it has specific and detailed information that who all were there, at what time I reached, and where did I reach. So everything has been mentioned here. And let's take passage number 1 once again. We are staying in the same hotel on Hill Cart Road. This sentence gives us some general description about the location of the guest house. Okay, यहाँ पे भी एक general description हमको मिल रहा है. अब इसमें क्या है, this is the first time we have come to visit a place without mom. So you can see that the writer is sharing his personal feeling. So we can easily make out the difference between a report, or you can say a journal or a log, and diary entry. Diary entry needs to be very personal, and you have to give all the details, because you are sharing your own heartfelt emotions, okay, which you want to keep in your memories, not want to share with others. You don't have to get formal. Okay, let us see the fourth point. You know they have a very strict schedule for everything. This sentence is also a general comment on the rulers of the hotel. So again, it's a general comment. Okay, and here you can say she had to visit her head office in New Delhi this week. Our tickets were booked a long time ago. We wanted to cancel our tickets. So everything, but my mom did not want us to cancel the trip. So you can say these sentences give us more personal details. So डायरी एंट्री में आप बहुत पर्सनल डिटेल्स देते हैं अपनी which you don't want to share with anyone else. And in passage 1, they serve tea, breakfast, lunch and dinner only at the specified time. So here also some general information. And again, our room in the hotel has a very good view. Then again you can say that we can see the Himalayas from this room. I miss my mom when I look at the mountain. Again, personal reflection. इन sentences में हमें writer की personal reflection दिख रही है. Okay. Again, फिर से कंपेयर करेंगे. But I enjoy my stay here. बाबा and भाई are also happy. Again, general information. और यहाँ पे आपको all of us love to be in the hills so much. It is because of her love that we could come here and enjoy our holidays. फिर से आपको personal feelings नज़र आएंगी. किसकी? राइटर की. We miss you so much. पर्सनल इन्फॉर्मेशन है इसमें. ओके, यहाँ पे आपको थोड़ी सी पर्सनल इन्फॉर्मेशन भी दिख रही है. वी मिस यू सो मच. अब यहाँ पे क्या है? आई हैव मेड अ डिसीजन. आई विल नेवर डिसोबे माई मॉम. आई डू वॉट एवर शी वॉन्ट्स मी टू डू. दिस विल सर्टनली मेक हर फील हैप्पी. नाउ दीज सेंटेंसेस कन्वे पर्सनल फीलिंग्स एंड रेजोल्यूशन. देखो, रेजोल्यूशन भी है. ही इज प्रॉमिसिंग समथिंग टू हिमसेल्फ दैट I will never disobey her. I will never disobey my mom, and she'll be happy if I'll do that for her. So he's making a resolution here. So this is how you'll write your diary entry, right? Now by looking at the above table, we can say that though passage 1 appears to be a piece of personal writing, it may have been written for someone else to read. It could be a letter. हमने जब हम कंपेयर करेंगे पैसेज 1 और पैसेज 2 को, तो हमें दिखेगा कि पैसेज 1 में बहुत ही जनरल इन्फॉर्मेशन है एंड इट कुड बी अ लेटर. ये लेटर भी हो सकता है, ये रिपोर्ट भी हो सकती है, ये कोई एक लॉग भी हो सकता है. बट पैसेज 2 में बहुत ज़्यादा पर्सनल रिकॉर्ड है. इट्स अ पर्सनल रिकॉर्ड meant to be read only by the writer. It is a page from a girl's diary. From the details given in the second passage, we can say that diary writing has a few characteristics. अब वो characteristics क्या हैं, ये हम देखते हैं. Here are the characteristics of a diary entry. ये क्या है? हमारे diary entry के characteristics हैं जो हमें हमेशा ध्यान रखने चाहिए. It has the date, day and place. सबसे पहली चीज़ क्या है? जब भी आप diary entry लिखेंगे तो आपको mention करना है date, day and place. सेकेंड है डिटेल्ड पर्सनल ऑब्जर्वेशन एंड रिकॉर्ड. आपको बहुत ही डिटेल में अपनी पर्सनल ऑब्जर्वेशन और रिकॉर्ड लिखने हैं. ऑटोबायोग्राफिकल रिफ्लेक्शन रिलेटेड टू अ पर्सनस लाइफ. ऑटोबायोग्राफी आपको पता है, जब ऑथर जो है, जो राइटर है, वो अपने बारे में, अपनी लाइफ के बारे में या अपने पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंसेस शेयर करता है थ्रू राइटिंग, थ्रू हिज राइटिंग, देन इट बिकम्स ऑटोबायोग्राफी. तो इट्स अ ऑटोबायोग्राफिकल रिफ्लेक्शन. क्रिटिकल इवैल्यूएशन ऑफ इवेंट्स. हर चीज़ को बड़ी ही माइन्यूटली से इवैल्यूएट किया जाता है. पर्सनल रेजोल्यूशन और डिसीजंस. यस, वी हैव सीन दैट द राइटर हैज़ मेड सम पर्सनल रेजोल्यूशन हियर. प्राइवेट इंफॉर्मेशन. ओके, यस, दैट टू वाज देयर. देन ऑनेस्ट ओपिनियन. इट हैज़ टू बी एन ऑनेस्ट ओपिनियन इन योर डायरी. जो भी आप लिखेंगे वो बड़ा ही फ्रैंकली, ऑनेस्टली, इनफॉर्मली लिखना होता है. सो यू मस्ट कीप ऑल दीज पॉइंट इन योर माइंड व्हेन एवर यू आर राइटिंग अ डायरी और अ डायरी एंट्री. नाउ सम सिचुएशंस आर गिवन बिलो. राइट डायरी एंट्रीज बेस्ड ऑन देम. नाउ दिस इज योर होमवर्क. यू हैव टू write these diary entries based on the situations given here. Like for example, first one is, how did you spend your weekend? Write a few lines. आपने अपना वीकेंड कैसे स्पेंड किया वो आप एक डायरी एंट्री के फॉर्मेट में लिखेंगे, ठीक है। और दूसरा है व्हाट मेमोरीज डू यू चेरिश द मोस्ट, राइट अ फ्यू लाइन्स। अब आपको ये भी लिखना है, ओके। And these two are also some diary entry situations, but you need not write them. We'll take these in your next session. All right, so you just write these two. How did you spend your weekend as a diary entry, and this one, what memories do you cherish the most. So these two are your homework, which you have to submit by 3 o'clock tomorrow, okay. And what you can do is you can write the characteristics of diary entry, and you can write a small note about diary writing in your grammar notebook, okay, so that you can refer to it whenever you want to revise diary writing for your exams, okay. So I hope you have understood all about diary writing. If you've got any doubt, you can ask me in the group, and thank you for watching this video.